I love you, Mom. One day I'm giving a college tour. The energy in the group was low. I'm tired and want to get this tour over with. We're at an older facility and I try to fit a bunch of people on a tiny elevator. We all somehow get in and there's a moment of awkward silence.
Surprise, mother.
My mom calls.
Surprise, mother.
I'm caught off guard and pick it up. I tell her I'm busy. Everyone in the elevator is confused, but I tell them my mom calls me at random times, so I made that sound clip her ringtone. Then the elevator erupted with laughter and the energy went way up, which made for a much more enjoyable tour for everyone.